Placing a succulent or tillandsia on a piece of driftwood is unexpected, and the contrast in textures is exciting. Using different types of foliages, flowers, and branches can also add interest to your arrangement. I like to find something unexpected. For example, this Brunia. It's an interesting member of the Protea family. The silver core of the berries almost look like a flower. Whenever I'm working on an art piece, I try and remember my color palette. The interesting blues and seafoam colors are activated by the vibrant blue iris.